Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the grand finale on our end for the FD. Customers coming to pick it up right now. You guys can go back and check out all the behind the scenes footage. So we'll start off with the beautiful engine bay here. 20B 3-rotor, swapped, of course. Extra big ass turbo by Garrett. Tile housing. Custom equal length turbo manifold. You can kind of see some of it here. We got a full episode on that, so you can check that out. Titanium side exit. We got some trimmings coming. We're getting those laser cut. Giant wastegate down there. Turbo Smart electronic wastegate. You can see some more titanium plumbing coming out the turbo. And then we also have the sick dump wastegate exit there. Added a tow hook. Extreme Turbo Systems intercooler. That's actually their 6-inch core that they use on their Supras. We were able to shove it in there. Again, titanium, dual blow-off valves, Turbo Smart with some titanium. Got some oil coolers hidden in there, and using all Vibrant HD clamps. This is our little party zone here with, you know, oil filter, catch can, brake master, clutch reservoir. It's a nice little piece from Willwood that I just picked up. It's a dope unit. Complete custom roll cage, custom suit to the driver. He's a tall guy, so we had to make a lot of adjustments to be able to get some head clearance, and modified the seat as well. Made some custom brackets, dropped that down, but got the dash in there, got some bracketry to hold the dash in place. He's got some delete panels for carbon fiber. I think they're really cool. Running a Granis Tremec manual swap. A lot of cool stuff for Motion Raceworks. And of course, as an added bonus, man, we threw our pedals in there. That looks really cool. Those are available on the website. So these are just our universal pedal pads. If you're looking to do like a manual conversion, you know, boost or delete, we have a full kit available. But if you just want the pads, we do have them available right there. So I think that kind of ties the room together, you know what I mean? Some custom cage work, tie in the strut towers. Guys probably wondering what's going on with the wheels. These are just skinnies that are in the back. He's going to get them custom made, I think at Beadlac. They're gonna custom fit some bead locks for them, some drag wheels. So we also did some custom brakes. We had to build some brackets to get these TBM brakes in the back. This is it's actually got a Ford 8.8 conversion, IRS 8.8 out of like a Cobra converted. In the back section there, I mean, that pretty much wraps it up. Like I said, just wanted to give you a quick little recap. He's coming to pick up the car, going to finish off doing some stuff, gonna paint the cage, get some wiring done. I hope to continue documenting the journey of this vehicle, see some dyno runs, see some drag runs, half-mile runs, mile runs, whatever. Just want to see this thing scream. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. We drop videos every Friday, feature videos and a tool tip or some sort of tip information video on Tuesday. So check that out. Comment, you know, tell me what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you next time.